In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate the Notion home page. By the end, you'll feel comfortable opening Notion, landing on the home screen, and understanding exactly what you're looking at so you can get to work faster. First, open Notion in your web browser or desktop app. If you're already signed in, you'll land on your Workspace. From there, head to the home page. This is your hub, the place that brings together your most important and most recent content, so you don't have to hunt for it. Let's take a moment to get oriented. Front and center, you'll see a section for your recently visited pages. Think of this as your quick shortcut back to where you left off. If you've been bouncing between documents, project dashboards, or notes, this area will surface those pages so you can jump right back in without digging through folders or sidebars. A helpful tip here is to glance at the titles and thumbnails. The visual cues can jog your memory and save time. You'll also notice a Learn area. This section is designed to help you discover tips, templates, and best practices for building better pages and workflows. If you're new to Notion, or even if you're experienced and want to refine your setup, the resources here can help you adopt features more confidently. It's a great place to pick up small improvements that make a big difference, like how to structure a project wiki or organize notes for a recurring meeting. Another useful panel you may see is Upcoming Events. This gives you a quick view of what's on the horizon. It's especially helpful if your workspace includes calendars or planning pages. Take a second to confirm dates and times so your day stays on track. If you notice something important, you can navigate straight to the related page from here to review details or prepare your agenda. Around the home page, you might also see links or previews that reflect what's most relevant in your workspace. The goal of this screen is to keep the essentials at your fingertips, reduce context switching, and help you start your session with clarity. If you ever feel lost, remember that search is your friend. The search bar can find pages, databases, and keywords instantly, and it complements the recently visited list nicely. That's all there is to it. Open Notion, head to the home page, and use the overview, recently visited, learn, and upcoming events to orient yourself and get moving quickly. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your more streamlined start in Notion.